everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I'm going to show you how to turn any photo into a viral miniature character in just a few clicks using Google Gemini with the brand new Nano banana powered image tool. This is super fun, super easy, and perfect for making unique content that stand out. First, just open Gemini in your browser and then make sure you are logged in with your Google account. And once you're in, just head over to the tools icon, this one, just tap on it, and then you will see the options called create images, this one, just tap on it. This is the latest feature from Google that lets you edit any picture instantly with just a simple prompt. Next, just upload the photo that you want to transform. Just tap on the plus button and then upload files. Like this. Just upload a clearer photo for the better result. After uploading, just write your prompt. You can type a prompt like this. Before, I already made a prompt like this. You can just copy this prompt or just get creative and customize it however you like. The more specific you are, the more accurate your mini character will look. I will just copy it like this and then go back to your Gemini and then paste, and after that just tap on generate. And okay, like this, in just a few seconds you have got miniature character versions of your photo, and seriously, this looks so cool. It's like a collectible toy versions of yourself. You can also tweak the prompt, add accessories, or even try a different art styles until you get the perfect result. And okay, that's it. In less than 3 minutes, you have turned an ordinary photo into a viral miniature character using Gemini Nano Banana feature. Just try it out with your own pictures. Okay, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!